It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high. Cause we so motherfucking fly. Yeah, wings of gold, we touch the sky. Bad bitches till we die. We so fly.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to a new video of mine. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my tips to make sure you guys are staying productive and busy, especially during this quarantine. We got to make sure that we are getting things done and staying on track. So if you guys are interested in learning what I like to do to stay productive, then go ahead and keep on watching.
Maybe we can holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by, 'cause we know.
So when I first wake up, I like to scroll through my phone a little bit. I like to throw on my Fitbit. Usually I would like to light a candle and just kind of get in the mood to wake up a little bit.
So motherfucking fly, yeah, wings of gold.
When I first wake up, it's a little bit more relaxed. I like to, play with my dogs a little bit. I'll let them outside and feed them, and then I like to start my day with a cup of coffee. I don't know what productive day is without coffee, am I right? But usually I like to start with something to eat, whether it's just like coffee and a banana or just gonna cook like a full-on breakfast, just depending how I'm feeling for that day.
Just to show how we get down. It's been a night, we know how to party, dancing like there's no one else around. You know I've been looking so fine, body like mine, wearing these boots thigh high, bitches in the corner with wine.
So when I'm ready to actually start my day, the first thing I like to do is just make a to-do list. This helps me keep on track and just make sure that I am visually seeing what I really need to get done for that day. Sometimes I will list it in most priority to the least priority of what I want to get done, and not everything usually gets done on my list, but I like to give myself options and just, keep myself busy and just figure out what I need to get done most importantly, and then worry about the rest later. I feel like I'm the most productive when the environment around me is clean. I don't know how many times I've had a dirty house and so many things to do, and I just felt so unmotivated and I just laid around and did nothing. But when I first wake up and I get stuff done and I'm already cleaning my house and getting things together, doing the dishes, then I feel like I'm already having a great start and I just have to keep on going.
What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me. You can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here?
One thing that I've been doing lately is just making sure that I'm taking my vitamins. I feel like when I don't take my vitamins, I don't have enough energy to really do the things that I want to do. And I've been known to be low in vitamin D, and vitamin D is actually essential for your energy levels, so you might want to double check if you have a vitamin D deficiency.
What if I showed you I could change? I really hope you don't walk away. What if I showed you this love could be easy? Will you still be here? Is still be here? Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here?
So it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be really hard. We're gonna have to work at this every day, but I wanna do that because I want you. I want all of you forever.
So the night before, I usually like to lay out some clothing if I want to work out and I really want to get it done. I feel like this helps motivate me just to throw it on and just do it and not really hesitate or to procrastinate on not doing it. So not only do I listen to music when I work out, but I also like to listen to music while I clean my house. I feel like just music can really help you get motivated and pumped up and just give you that energy that you might need.
If I had a chance, I'd take it faster than a heartbeat.
So if I'm feeling unmotivated to work out, I usually like to lean towards social media to help me feel motivated. I'll look up before and after photos or people that I follow on Instagram and I'll watch their workout videos. Sometimes I'll go onto YouTube. So you really have to find your motivation and find what helps you get in that right mindset that you need to be in.
Buckets of water, millions of clouds.
And since being in quarantine, the gyms are closed and I've kind of been tired of working out inside my house, so I try to just change up my environment. So this day I actually worked outside, and this is the first time that I've ever done a workout outside and I actually really enjoyed it, and it probably won't be my last.
Countless thoughts of you being here. Oh, I wish it wasn't so hard. But maybe one day we can break the distance.
I think the major tip that I could give you guys is making sure that you are watching what you eat. Obviously, I've been in a weight loss journey, so I've already been eating healthier, so it just helps me lose weight. But the major thing of why I lose weight and why I am eating the way I do is because it gives me more energy and I feel so much better about myself, and it increases my mood, and it's insane how much crazy things can happen when you take care of yourself and eat better. I just feel like I have so much more energy to be able to do things throughout my day.
Got stranded, and I wish I could get to you.
Alright guys, so that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
You are, I wish it wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near. Countless thoughts of you being here. Oh, I wish it wasn't so hard. But maybe